We guide you through how to block an email on Outlook so you can stop unwanted messages instantly. First thing you need to do is open your Outlook on your desktop or log in through the Outlook web app. Then, open the email from the sender you want to block. Click the three dots or More Actions menu. Select Block and confirm your choice. Outlook will automatically move further emails from the sender to your junk folder. If you want more control, go to Settings, open Mail, then Junk Email, and add the sender's email address to your blocked senders and domains list manually. You can also create rules to automatically delete or move emails based on the keywords or addresses. Once set up, Outlook will prevent unwanted emails from reaching your inbox, helping you keep your email clean, organized, and stress free.